Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to apply the 8mm film overlay effect to your video using Filmora Mobile. I'm currently in Filmora Mobile, and I have some stock videos that I want to give an 8mm old film vintage look. The first step is to trim the videos, so I need to cut out the parts that I don't need. Once I trim the video, it will split into 2 or 3 parts. After editing your footage, the next important step is color grading. This process is crucial as it has the power to transform dull footage into an old vintage theme. When you click on the filter option, you will see various filters and adjustment options to color grade your footage. However, I recommend using pre-made filters as they can save you a lot of time and provide the best results. To achieve the old vintage film, you can choose any filter that you think will be perfect for your video and match your video's vibe. The next step is to add overlays to the footage. In Filmora Mobile, there are various filters and overlays available to create the desired effects, including categories like VHS, cinematic, and more. However, there is a limited selection of 8mm film overlays in Filmora Mobile filters. You can download additional overlays for free using the link provided in the description. Once you've downloaded the overlay, simply click on the PIP and choose the overlay you want to use. Enlarge it and adjust its position. Then select the overlay footage and set the blending mode to screen for an old film look. Adding another 8mm film overlay will make it look even more realistic. Just like before, change the blending mode to screen. You can add multiple overlays to enhance your footage. For some overlays, like the 8mm, you might need to adjust the blending mode to darken, while in other cases, screen mode works best. You can adjust colors to match the vibe and make your footage stand out. Play around with these adjustment values to make your footage outstanding. In this project, I'm using 3 footages, and you can also attach these footages using transitions. Filmora Mobile offers a variety of transitions to choose from, so you can select the ones you like. For a smoother transition, I prefer using something like Dissolve rather than something too erratic. Finally, the last step is to add background music. In Filmora Mobile, there is a vast library of music for you to choose from. You can discover music based on beats, moods, and genres in the music library. Furthermore, we also have AI audio available for you to generate your own music. After adding all of this stuff and completing all the steps, here is the final result. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.